Who was Alexander Graham Bell? Alexander Graham Bell was born on March 3, 1847, in Edinburgh, Scotland. From an early age, he was fascinated by sound, speech, and communication, largely influenced by his father, who developed techniques to help the deaf communicate. In the 1870s, Bell moved to Canada and later the United States, where he worked as a teacher for the deaf and conducted experiments on sound transmission. His passion for science and innovation led him to explore the idea of transmitting speech over electrical wires, a concept that would change the world forever. The invention of the telephone. The invention of the telephone was a groundbreaking moment in history. On March 7, 1876, Bell was granted U.S. Patent Number 174,465 for his device that could transmit speech electronically. Just 3 days later, on March 10, 1876, Bell spoke the famous words to his assistant, "Mr. Watson, come here, I want to see you." Watson, in another room, heard the message through the telephone, marking the first ever successful voice transmission. This revolutionary invention allowed people to communicate across distances in real time, paving the way for modern telecommunications, from landlines to mobile phones and the Internet. Bell's other innovations. While the telephone was Bell's most famous invention, his curiosity and creativity led to many other groundbreaking discoveries. Some of his most notable contributions include aeronautics and flight. Bell helped develop early flying machines and worked on improving aircraft designs. Hydrofoils. He created boats with hydrofoil technology, making them faster and more efficient. Hearing devices and communication for the deaf. Bell dedicated much of his life to helping the deaf, including inventing hearing aids and speech training techniques. Wireless communication experiments. He conducted research that laid the groundwork for wireless technology and telecommunication advancements. His inventions and scientific work demonstrated a lifelong dedication to innovation beyond just the telephone. The impact of his work today. Bell's inventions and ideas continue to shape the modern world in incredible ways. Telecommunication revolution. His work led to the development of mobile phones, the Internet, and global communication networks. Hearing aid technology. His early experiments contributed to the creation of modern hearing aids and cochlear implants. Advancements in flight and transportation. His research in aerodynamics and hydrofoils influenced modern aviation and high-speed watercraft. Bell's impact on science and technology can still be felt in every phone call, video chat, and communication device we use today. Fun facts and legacy. He didn't want a telephone in his office. Bell saw the telephone as a distraction and focused on other inventions later in life. The Bell Telephone Company became AT&T, one of the largest telecommunications companies in the world. He was one of the founding members of the National Geographic Society, helping promote scientific exploration and education. Bell considered himself more of a scientist than an inventor, believing that helping people was his greatest achievement. Alexander Graham Bell's innovations, vision, and dedication continue to inspire scientists and inventors today. His work revolutionized communication and changed the way the world connects, proving that one idea can truly change history.